Why you gotta fight with me? Cake, you know I love the gold. Say I'm acting light skin, I can't take you nowhere. This a place for families that drive Camrys and go to Disney. They don't need to know all of our business. You wildin', you super childish. You go to CVS for Kotex and my Bugatti. I took the key and tried to hide it so you can't drive it and put on mileage. Then you find it, awkward silence. Mama is a saint.
Hey everyone, it's Mahalia and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a styling video of this gorgeous deep wave wig from Alipearl. And one thing about Alipearl is they're gonna hook you up with the free gifts. All right, so they sent me a satin wrap for your edges, some lashes, a wig cap, an elastic band, a scarf, and also an edge brush, and a dust bag to keep your wig safe and secured. All right, so let me go ahead and get into the details of this gorgeous wig. This wig is 24 inches. It is also HD lace. You already know I don't do much customization to my wigs, but when I do, all I do is tip the lace, y'all, and I also pluck the lace. Now, this wig did come pre-plucked enough to the point where if you're not someone who's good at plucking, you don't have to worry about it. You can go ahead and throw this wig on. You're definitely able to do that. This wig is also 180% density. So getting into the install, I use the TGI Bedhead Hard Head hairspray in extreme hold, and I spray that on my ball cap first before applying the wig, and then I spray on top of the wig, and then after that I apply the elastic band. Let me tell y'all about this hairspray. I've actually been researching to find a way to lay down my wigs without using lace glue, because I am a hair influencer, so I do wear multiple wigs during the week, and lace glue is not really needed for me anymore because I don't wear them for longevity. So I found this hairspray and it lays down your wig so damn good, y'all. If you use this hairspray and you take care of your hair, you can have your wig on for maybe 5 days max, and that's pretty good for me. Now, if y'all are interested in this hairspray, I'm gonna have it linked down below so y'all can go ahead and copy it. So what y'all see me doing now is going in with actual lace glue and tacking down the pieces that I did miss with the hairspray, and I'm gonna go in with a rat tail comb and lay that down as well. I also wanted to mention, please excuse my underarms. I'm currently getting laser at the moment. They are looking a little bit rough right now, but as you can tell, this is the next day. This is when I started to actually work on the hairstyle, because I was filming the previous clips at night and I was getting tired and my camera was dying. I've already cut my edges and I've curled them earlier. So when it comes to the art of edges, I'm still trying to figure it out to this day, okay? Using a flat iron to curl them definitely does make life 10 times easier. If you don't have a flat iron and you don't curl your edges, I suggest you start. The mini flat iron that I got from the beauty supply store, but I'll go ahead and link down below a good one that y'all can definitely use for your edges. Now, when it comes to deep wave hair, I am not a fan of the puffy, big hair look. I most definitely like my units to be, what's the name? I think the name is called the wet look. Yeah, there we go. I absolutely love the wet look. Now, I'm taking that hairstyle to the grave with me, okay? I'm gonna die in that hairstyle. When it comes to curly hair, the wet look is my go-to. My process for achieving the wet look, I usually put the hair in sections because it allows me to get to all the strands of hair easily. I'm currently wetting this section of the hair, and then next you're going to see me detangle that section. So after I've drenched that section with water and detangled it. I'm gonna put in a curling cream in my hair. Now y'all, this cream right here is definitely the holy grail for curly hair. I know we definitely all wanted our hair to stay in the style that it looks when it's wet, and this cream does that. It keeps your hair curl defined and flat even when your hair is not wet. It's literally so amazing. I believe I got this from Slay by Jordan. He put me onto this curling cream. It's absolutely wonderful. If y'all are interested, you can get it from Sally's. I've also linked it down below. Look how good this unit looks, y'all. These curls are popping. Curly hair when wet is just so pretty. So basically, I'm just brushing in all of the product. This curling cream does leave a white cast if you have too much in, so I'm just making sure everything is brushed in and mixed in. So I wanted to do a hairstyle with this unit. I decided to put it in a half up, half down. When it comes to half up, half downs, I struggle the most, especially with curly hair. It is such a task, but I think I pretty much got the hang of it after doing it for a while. So basically, I gathered the hair that I wanted to be up and I hot combed the front. That helped me smooth the top as much as possible, because I hate when I try to get half up, half down and the top is bumpy. I absolutely hate that. Alright, this is the finished look, y'all. This actually came out super slick and I like it. The hair itself is amazing quality. It's very, very, very thick hair. The curls are so nice. It is deep wave, true, very true to the texture. It's also true to length as well. The only thing I don't like about this hair is that it's all the same length. Some people might like that, but I like my curly hair to be layered. So if I do actually plan on keeping this wig, I might just go ahead and end up layering it for future use. But I'm really happy with this hairstyle and the hair, period. Like, it's so cute. I keep touching it. All right, let me stop. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next. All right, bye.